One of the key features about the accounts created on substrate-based blockchains is portability. There are a few exceptions to this, which will be discussed at the end of the video, but for now, let me demonstrate how account portability works by first creating an account using Polkadot.js browser extension. Here, I'm presented with a mnemonic phrase which basically generates public and private keys for this account. If you are creating an account, make sure you keep the mnemonic phrase safe. Alright, the address displayed here is the generic substrate address for the account we just created. A generic substrate address always starts with a file. Now, the moment I choose a specific substrate-based chain, from this dropdown, the address changes. For instance, you can see the Polkadot address starts with a 1 and Kusama address starts with E. If you'd like to, feel free to check the corresponding addresses for all the other chains listed there. So, with just one mnemonic phrase, you now have an account on multiple blockchains. If you're curious to know which blockchains support account portability, then check out this SS58 registry file. All the blockchains with this standard account format allow account portability. The link for this registry file is available in the video description. Now, let me show you account portability in action. I will quickly demonstrate how to access your accounts using Polkadot.js by switching between several blockchain networks. You have to make sure that your account can be used on any chain on Polkadot.js extension right there. Now I'll navigate here, switch the network, go to the Accounts tab, and there you go. Let me repeat the same with few other networks here that are listed in order. There, you can see your account is available on all of these networks. Cool. The main advantage of this feature is that you don't have to create different accounts for each network, right? Which means you don't have several mnemonic phrases and JSON files to keep track of. At the same time, this can be a disadvantage as well, as this creates a single point of failure, right? So if your mnemonic phrase is compromised, then you risk losing your funds across several blockchains. So keep the mnemonic phrase safe. A popular use case for account portability is the permissionless and anonymous participation in crowdloans. Those of you who participated in crowdloan campaigns of winning parachains would have noticed that the promised rewards got delivered to the corresponding blockchain address of the account with which you contributed the tokens. Now, I need to add another disclaimer here. It is the parachain teams who decide how the rewards are distributed, and they may or may not use this account portability feature. Alright, now what are the exceptions? Well, it turns out that the accounts created using hardware wallets like Ledger should be used only on one network. Ledger does not give you a mnemonic phrase and uses a different scheme to generate public-private keys that do not support the account portability feature. Hence, never use Ledger account addresses where account portability is required. Another exception is the chains that choose a different account standard than the default one. There are a couple of them listed in the SS58 registry file that use a different signature scheme. So if I navigate to that blockchain using Polkadot.js apps, the account from the browser extension will not be injected. There you go. So I don't see my account injected right here like before. Hope this video gave you an intuition about account portability on substrate-based chains. To dive deeper, check the links posted in the video description. See you.